Many say comfort electronic devices made in China are in fact not very good for our environment because of the simple fact that they are often thrown away. For instance, this band made with plastic and a spring inside, a quite strong spring, and you can wear that around your arm, and when you push that button here, the light emitting diodes light up, and they can also flicker, etc., etc. But in general, when such a battery is depleted after, say, 1 month or 2 months, these devices are often thrown away. And that's, in my opinion, quite a big problem. Everything has to be made. Plastics have to be made, the electronic circuit has to be made, the battery, etc., etc. And in fact, it is a kind of spillage of valuable resources. That's my opinion, anyway. Here I have made a kind of circuit that in fact does the same, but I mounted here two normal, in a certain way normal, so not a button cell, but normal batteries here in that encasing, and you can open it, replace the batteries, and then close it again and use it again. It's especially made for the evening and in the dark, when you walk, for instance, in the dark and you want to be visible. That was the aim of this clip. And I also want to use it this way. So there are two silicone tubes here. That's very, in fact it was very, very good made, properly made, with a kind of hole, and the LED light emitting diode sticked into that hole, and so the light got transported in that silicone hose. And in fact, that's a very good invention. So it's kind of shame when such a good circuit is thrown away after, say, 1 month, 2 months or whatever. So I want to keep it in function, and well, that was my simple idea to keep the whole circuit and use it again, make it usable again. I think I'm gonna cover this with silicone kit so that we have a good attachment between the silicone tubes and the housing where everything was made, etc. And then I want to use it again. No spillage. Keep our environment clean. That's the aim. And in fact, in China, make, for instance, such a circuit in a better way, so that it can last for, say, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years even, etc.